Adventurers, here we are in Minneopa State Park. Let's go for a hike. Alright, just getting started here. First section kind of goes along the highway here in the entrance. I always save the best for the last, so we're gonna hike along the road first, and then we're gonna go around this bison thing. It's a beautiful day today, though. It is, I don't know, I forgot my thermometer on my other backpack, but it's probably like 75 degrees already, 9 o'clock in the morning. It's supposed to be hot today, I believe. So Minneopa State Park was founded in 1905 to protect the natural landmarks that we're going to see later. I don't want to give it away. It's going to be awesome. And then 1960 it was expanded to protect more of the Minneopa Creek watershed area. And then, like I said, 2011, they added the bison, reintroduced bison back into the park. So we reached the first, there's a little spur trail here to the first lookout, and you can see the bison herd from here. Check it out. Alright, you can see the bison herd just down over there. I think we should be able to get much closer to them. Alright, here at the top of the hill we have Sepman Mill. It was an old flour mill built in 1862, and then it was struck by lightning in 1873, reconstructed. A tornado hit it in 1880. It was reconstructed. And then another storm hit it in 1890. And that was when they finally shut it down. And it hasn't made anything since 1890. But then behind it here is a little granary where it says they stored the milled grain or flour. And it also doubles as a sleeping quarters for the people waiting for the product to be finished. If you came to buy some flour and you had to wait a day or two for them to mill it, you could sleep in this cozy little shack with your flour. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Look what I found. Some beautiful black raspberries. They don't taste like they're quite ready yet. They're still a little hard and a little bit bitter. But they are all over in here. I can see them back in there. Oh yeah. Probably about as close as we'll get. Maybe we'll get closer on the other side. I don't know. Nice bench here with a little bit of a view. We got about 2 miles left, so got about 3.5. I don't even know if I mentioned it, but it's about 5.5 mile loop here. So well over half. It's break time. I got myself a banana, a Coke, a little bit of chips here left, and these, something new I tried, Old Trapper original style beef sticks. These are really good. Alright, that was a gorgeous spot. It took about 45 minutes. It's almost noon. Let's finish this off. The hiking club password. I've showed it in the past in a video before, and I probably shouldn't have. That was a bad idea. So I'm not going to show this one. You're going to have to get off the couch, put your phone down, and get out here yourself. Before you put your phone down, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell for notifications. Had a nice little lookout point here. Kind of see through the trees here. But this here, you can see all the way over to the other side. This is the Minnesota River Valley. The Minnesota River is probably still a good 100 yards out that way. But kind of bummed that we didn't get any views of it. We're getting near to the end now. But stick around, we still got something spectacular coming up. The main attraction. 2 of them actually. Look at this beast. We are back here at the parking lot. There's a lot more people here now. But wasn't my favorite hike. We did about it was 5.3 miles. It was only 248 feet of elevation gain over the whole 5.25 miles, which was basically flat. So it was a very easy hike, but not a lot of great views. Just walking along the perimeter of the fence most of the time, so that's not the most enjoyable. It cut out in the woods a little bit for here and there. It was nice that there's not a lot of people, but we didn't get that close to the bison, so I decided I think I'm going to take you guys on a drive down that dirt road, and we're going to go check out, see if we can get a closer look at those bison. And then don't There's still the highlight coming up. Here we are, folks, Minneopa Falls. Got some double tiered waterfall. Here's the lower tier of the falls, Minneopa Falls. You can see some people down there for scale. There was a sign at the top that said no carving, defacing the rock. It is illegal. Doesn't look like a lot of people listen. But it detracts from the natural feeling of the place. You got a bunch of names and stuff scribed all over the place. All right, ladies and gentlemen, Minneopa Falls. Amazing. Go back up in here. Absolutely awesome. What's even cooler is there's nobody else down here. One other person just fishing. Those falls were awesome. But wait, we're not done yet. There's still more. Alright, so that's Mini Mishinona Falls. They're 42 feet tall, so they're a little bit taller than the Minneopa Falls, but not as much water flow. Anyway, thanks a lot for joining me, and I'll see you next week. on Happy Trail Backpacking.